Okay guys, this is Vesco. He do first time service of regulator. It's his own regulator and he's finished already. But check this. 5 O-rings left.
Once we moved to Tenerife to make our lives different, we started working in a dive center and got totally new lifestyle. We will show you how we work in scuba diving and what we do in our free time on this beautiful island.
Let's do some nice movies here.
We will also give some tips and recommendations to scuba divers. Channel Dive Center Daily Life.
Don't worry guys about Vesco regulator, it's totally fine. Someday I will show you how to do service of regulator properly, but today I will teach you English words for scuba diving. As you hear, I'm not native English speaker. That's why I know how important for a diver is to speak and understand English. Most of diving centers in the world use English as a main language. And so many divers got a problem with general words. That's why I prepared this lesson. If English is your mother tongue, then just watch this video and write suggestions in the comments.
Mask, hood, snorkel, inflator, second stage, octopus, pressure gauge, fins or flippers, dive computer, compass, reel, marker buoy, torch, knife, gloves, boots, neoprene suit or wetsuit, dry suit, equipment or gear, aqualung, BCD, wing, hose, strap, first stage, valve, tank or cylinder, steel tank, aluminium tank, DIN connection, yoke connection, insert, adapter or converter, mouthpiece, buckle, tools, to descend, to ascend, safety stop, neutral buoyancy, current, bottom, surface, batteries, weights or leads, weight belt, weight pockets, oxygen analyzer, oxygen, zipper, first aid kit, life ring, anchor, rope, dive boat, dive site or dive spot, hand signals. Follow the link to watch our episode where we show 107 hand signals for scuba divers. Briefing, bodies, guide, to assemble equipment, to disassemble equipment, to fill a cylinder, to refill a cylinder, to inflate, to deflate, to adjust equipment, to equalize, wave, visibility.
I hope this lesson was useful for you. Watch more our videos, subscribe our channel, and see you next time. Watch the view.